A warm welcome is extended to you, our dear viewers. Welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to be learning how to use Zoho Mail. To go to Zoho Mail, you simply type zoho.com, and I'll be leaving the link in the description of that video. And then if you have an account, you simply click on sign in and you sign into your account. In case you don't have one, it's free to sign up. You click on sign up now. And then because we want to use the free plan, you come down here and you click on sign up now for the forever free plan. We have the others that may be for paid, so we are going to be using the free one. I click on sign up now. Then you give your details here, name, email address, and password. And then you click on agree to the terms, and then you click on sign up. Then one OTP, then an OTP will be sent to your email. So you simply copy that OTP. Come back to Zoho, and then you paste it there, and then you click on verify. It will bring you to this site after you put in your code for verification, where you can create a domain based on an account in Zoho, or you can create a personal email account. So in this case, I'm going to click on create personal account. Then I can put the username there to create a personal email account. Then I click on create. So it will bring you to this Zoho, and we want to use the mail. So I click on mail. So, and if you now look at the Zoho mail here, you notice it is arranged into new mail. Then we have the folders, which include the inbox and the drafts, templates, and all this. Then down here we have the tags, and then we have the views here in terms of red, unread, flagged, or all archived. So to begin with, let us see how you can add a contact to Zoho Mail. So you simply come to this left-hand side corner. You notice up here we have mail, we have calendar, we have tasks, notes, contacts, and bookmarks. So to add a contact, you simply click on contacts. And then at the top here, you click on add contact. And then you can give the name of the person. Let's call this person James Arnold. And then we put their email here. Then we put their email there. And then we can put the phone number there. And then we click on save. So you notice now our James Arnold contact has been added there. So if now I click back on mail here, if now I click on the top here and click on new mail, I can come here and now type my email here. If now I click on this two, if I scroll down, I can add contacts. If now I click on my contacts and personal, if now I type here too, if I type here too, I can put the email there, then CC, then to the person, and maybe the subject, I'll call it trial. And then down here, this where now I type my email. I can call it trial email. Happy to hear you. From Victoria. So now if I draft my email this way, I want to show you the things you can do with Zoho Mail here. So up here, you notice you can add attachment the same way we do in Google. You can also record an audio, which is not maybe available in so many other email sending platforms. You can also attach from your work drive. You can bolden part of the text. For instance, if now I click on this trial email, I can click on that, so it's now bolden. Here, I can change the font type. Now you notice here, I can select any font type I want for my email. Let me select Comic Sans. You notice trial is now bolden and a different font type. Then you can even change the color for your email. So maybe from Victoria here, I'll change the color to any color that I want here. Let me put it in red. So you notice now this is how our email looks like. I can put the body to be in green, and then I can even change the size for the body, just like that. So notice now we have our text there. So let me remove the green highlight. But we can also change the color here again to whichever color we would want. For instance, let me now put the color to be green. So you notice how our email looks like. So you can do a lot with Zoho in terms of your email. And then at the top here, I can click on share draft. And so with Zoho, I'll be able to share this draft maybe with someone who can proofread it and then maybe send it back to me. I click on share draft, then I click on share, and then I click on share draft here. Then I can add a contact there. I'll put the contact there. Then I click on share down here. So that is how I can draft an email that is so colored and colorful in Zoho. I can also do these adjustments to the right, to the left. I can add scripts, superscripts, and subscripts. And next, if now I click on calendar on the top left hand side here, I can get the calendar where now I can schedule my tasks. So if now I click on 26 there, I double click, I can add an event. Maybe I'll call this event training for class 101. Then I can adjust the time here. Then I can invite individual participants or groups here. And then I state my location. And then I can click on save. Maybe here I can put the link to the meeting if that's what I need. Then I can click on save. You notice now we have training 101 event added to my Zoho mail. I can also create tasks if I click on tasks here. So currently these are the tasks that are there, and to create a task I simply come here and click on add task. Then I can give the task title there. Maybe I'll call it training 303. Then I can now keep on editing that task depending on what I want with it. So we have the task there, training 303. Then I can decide who to assign here. I can decide on changing the status there. And then I can also make notes here. If I click on notes, I can add notes here. I can either do a quick add, or I can paste content here for the notes. And I can also bookmark parts of the things. I've already explained how to use the contacts. And so that is simply how you use Zoho Mail to make your work so easy. And there's a lot more you can do here. You see we can have the newsletter here. You can also archive part of your messages here. And then you can also flag maybe messages that you feel are not important to you. So that is basically a simple tutorial on how you can use Zoho Mail. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.